Hi, my name is Kevin McCown. I'm with the American Academy of Spine Physicians. The Foundation for Chiropractic Progress, F4CP, a not-for-profit organization dedicated to increasing public awareness about chiropractic care, and the American Academy of Spine Physicians, the AASP, an organization committed to promoting excellence in spine care through education, innovation, and collaboration, have partnered to enhance the role and recognition of doctors of chiropractic in spine care. All members of the Foundation for Chiropractic Progress are eligible to be directory level members with the American Academy of Spine Physicians. If you have received a user ID and PIN number from the Academy, you are now considered a directory level member with the American Academy of Spine Physicians. We're encouraging all members of the F4CP to visit the homepage of the Academy, www.spinephysicians.org. On the homepage, please feel free to browse around and notice all of the news articles that we have. We have almost 300 plus news articles in our news archive, as well as there's a button here to go to the 26 reasons to join. Please review the 26 reasons to join or upgrade your membership with the American Academy of Spine Physicians. If you have received your user ID and PIN number, you can log in here with your member credentials. After login, it will take you to the member dashboard. I have signed in with the profile of Dr. Sherry McAllister. Dr. McAllister is the Executive Vice President for the Foundation for Chiropractic Progress. Once logged in, you will notice a button here for F4CP members. You can click on that to access the subset of benefits that you have with the Academy as a directory level member. One of the most important benefits is the directory profile. You now also have a full page profile on the International Directory of Spine Care Professionals, which is the official directory of the American Academy of Spine Physicians. You want to make sure that you update all of your profile fields, as we can see here in Dr. McAllister's profile. She's got a professional introduction, practice emphasis, practice type and location, education and training, credentials and certifications, appointments and positions, languages spoken, and contact information. The directory is hierarchical. You can do a new search, and in that search, you can search by country, state, city, specialty, credentials, or name and zip code. We can see here, if we click on Dr. David Durant, which is one of our council members, it takes us to his full page profile as well. And notice, he is actually a diplomate with the American Academy of Spine Physicians, as well as a fellow of the American College of Spine Specialists. Now, let's go back to the member dashboard. The Academy is actually offering an upgrade to full level membership of all direct level members, a one-time offer of 50% off. The regular membership is $295 per year, so for $150, you can upgrade and have access to all the benefits of the Academy, as well as a special public relations toolkit that was developed by the F4CP and the AASP. In this public relations toolkit, you will have access to 2 brochures that are primary spine care, cooperative spine care, 2 PowerPoint slideshows, as well as an infographic that can be used for patient education, a personalized press release, and an action guide on how to use the public relations toolkit. We're excited about this new partnership, and again, we encourage you to visit our website, www.spinephysicians.org. Email us with any questions at aasp@spinephysicians.org. Thank you.